how to check order history on Shein. So basically, if you'd like to check your order history on the Shein app, it is actually quite very simple to do so. First of all, make sure you've downloaded the Shein app, open it up, and then you also want to make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now, in order to check your order history, it is very simple. From the bottom right, you can see the Me icon right there. So just tap on the Me option that you can find there. Once you tap the Me icon, right over here you'll find the option called My Orders, and you can see the option called View All. Tap on the View All button, and here you'll be able to see all of your order. So you'll find all orders, you'll find the unpaid orders, processing orders, shipped orders, the orders that are in review, or the orders that you have requested for a return or refund. That's all it takes for you to check your order history on Shein. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.